Jesus, he's laggy. Welcome to Simon Says, Part 3. Simon Says, fight for this new beanie. Simon says, fight for this beanie. War! Go to war! He's being eaten by a dog. He just flew away. Ooh, the Torian! Ooh, Goofy Goober! Fries with the save! Jay's hustling. Oh no! He's freezing everyone! Goofy Goober number 2 buys it back. Going to Jay Leonard's base. Yo! Alright, Goofy Goober number 2. Going at it again. And he got the new beanie. Okay, so. Alright. Simon says choose who to eliminate. He's crying! What? Oh no, actually paid, bro. I'm not even in the thing. Y'all vote? Okay, Simon says they vote. Say I if you want to put out fries. If you... Say P if you want to vote out Chrome. No, wait, help him. Say Chrome. That's 3! Yo, GG. Wait. Matter of fact, hold on. Fries and Chrome. Simon says roof fight. And whoever wins. Alright. Simon says roof fight. Whoever wins stays. Fries and Chrome. Come here. Yes. Alright. Fries and Chrome. Simon says go. Wait, what happened? Yeah. Okay, and this is it right here too, just to make sure. Alright. Simon says go. Ooh, Chrome on the edge! Fries on the edge right there. He tells us we're about to start dangling. We're spinning the oh my god. Yo. Fries, I'm sorry. You can watch. Love you, Fries. Okay. Alright. Next is matter of fact. Simon. You wanna He's crying over the burger Pepsi. Alright. Fries, what a nice base you have right here. Wait, not Fries, he's out. Simon says so this. Simon says so this Chrome. Yo, stop kidding. Bro, the Torian, I just said stop kidding. Simon says stop or you're eliminated. Okay. Huh? Yeah. Simon says fight for the strawberry elephant. Strawberry elephant. Woo! He saved it. Ooh, wait, hold on. He's getting some. Ooh. Why is Fries in here? Yo, Fries is RIP. Fries, stop fighting for it. LOL. Oh, come on. Oh, both of them are sweet. Okay. It's almost at its base. Oh, he got it. Simon says choose who to eliminate.